In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a dashboard in Smartsheet so you can display important project information in one easy to read view. Start by opening Smartsheet and navigating to your homepage. From there, click the Create or Plus button to start a new item. Next, select Dashboard from the available options. You can either start with a blank dashboard or choose a template if you'd like a pre-built layout. Once the dashboard opens, enter a name and click Create. You'll now have a blank canvas where you can add widgets to display your data. To add content, click Add Widget and choose the type of widget you want to use, such as charts, reports, metrics, images, shortcuts, or rich text. Configure each widget by selecting the sheet, report, or information you want it to display. Arrange the widgets on the dashboard by dragging and resizing them until the layout fits your needs. You can also customize colors, titles, and formatting to make the dashboard easier to read. When you're finished, click Save to publish your dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully created a dashboard in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.